and exciting new turn of events. I dedicate this to Danish native and new recent viewer Joe Blow. I have a strong feeling that Mr. Blow is related to Blozo in some way. The Whiskey Alpha 7 Brotherhood, not missiles. Oh no. Now I did it. I ruined my video. Oh no, I truly did. I ruined my video. I'm happy to announce that PODA is now a 24/7, 365 full-blown contest. You'll see it on line 1 of the Whiskey Alpha 7 Brotherhood Not Missile contest calendar site. Line 1, forevermore, indicative of a 24/7, 365 planetary mega contest. Hey guys, Chuck here. Boy, is this going to be weird. You know what, man? This is going to be new for me. I'm going to try to do the best I can. I'm going to try to keep the babble to a minimum. And before we get started, I better clean this up, this nightmare. I don't want to step on my flukes. And, well, one of them's an $18 DMM from China. Let me not step on my flukes. Let me not slice my foot wide open. And let me, hang on, man, we need something. A freaking master. The first calculator I ever had in 8th grade, 1974-ish, 3-ish, yeah, probably 3 or 4. I'd have to do the math. I was in 8th grade. Pristine, never used. Give it to one of my kids. And there it is. Boy, is this going to be weird. You like that? Isn't this classy? We'll talk more about this when we get into the series. I want you to look at something over here, man. Got something to show you over here, okay? I have to stop with the waggly finger, man. Hang on. Man, this makes me kind of nervous. Old Chucky boy is kind of scared. This video doesn't involve having anything to do with ham radio. Although I've made other videos with complete bullshit before. Heck, I even made a video with an intro and outro and no content in the middle. After I embraced intros and outros. Right? Hang on. For this video, editing series will be only done on the laptop. And in this lesson, we're going to watch a music video together by Cena Drums and Charlotte Zone. And before I show you how to edit, I think this will be video number 1. Our run through of a really beautifully done video by freaking teenagers. And the things I see in their edit. And camera work. And keep in mind, these are what a noob sees. These are what I see. I've only been editing video for about maybe 6 months now. And with fades and you name it, you know what I mean? A very basic editing. Focusing on the audio and video. And not the effects. And I'm babbling now, so let's get on to let's take the run through of a song by put it on, in parentheses, She Might Too, featuring Charlotte Zone. I'll show you what I think of it, what my eye catches. Hey, yeah. Okay, guys. See, I left this screen on to start. I have no idea what kind of angle the end result of this video is going to be on. It's very frustrating. I just made a tweak. Seems like no matter what I do, I can't shoot a video, right? Got a couple problems here. One is this camera, smartphone cameras have a very limited, because of the small lens, you get a lot of aperture, perspective distortion. You get perspective distortion, and so my screens are never a rectangle. They look trapezoidal because of the crap camera. It's a Galaxy S6. Oh, I'm babbling again. So I've set things up the best I can, and I'm gonna try. You know what I've realized? A couple people have asked for me to make a video on how to make a video. A noob level. Requirements, zero experience with anything. So I figured, okay, I've been doing video editing. I've been shooting crappy video since I broke my leg, right? And going all the way back to the beginning, but it's only been the last 6 months or so that I've tried to make something watchable. That's not the right way to say it. I've tried to make something more mainstream. That's wrong too. Conventional. I've tried to make more, but the more I try to make conventional videos, the more I realize it's a hell of a lot easier just to go walking around the backyard with you babbling. To do this, to set up like this, made me realize something. Making a video for video noobs has made me realize I'm stretched to the very limit with what I've got to work with. Excuse me. I'm using a Panavice printed circuit board vice clamp for the desk to hold my smartphone. And right now I'm shooting the screen of a laptop because that's the design of the video, right? Yeah, I could do it in a screen capture program, sure. But this is more real. I feel more comfortable this way. And also the audio captures far better this way. My computers all want to make me sound, I don't know, different. I've grown used to the sound of my voice while recording with this phone. And actually, if you were sitting here in the room with me, you'd agree that the recordings I do with my phone sound exactly like me. So, having said all that babble, I'm babbling again. All right. Oof, I'm going to take it. I've got to drop the phrase, pause you. I'm going to take a sip of water, then we'll start. I've got the audio turned up quite loud, but I don't want it to shock you. And what I've done, what you're watching here, is, I hope I don't bump the camera because I've got to use the left key to go back 10 seconds. What you're looking at here, I'm gonna move the mouse one more time out of my way for a second. So when I do that, it brings up the bar. Oh, what was I gonna say? I got the audio turned up, blah blah. One moment. Okay, so you'll be watching Cena Drums, Cena of YouTube channel Cena Drums, with her pal Charlotte Zone, And the bass player, young lady bass player, man, she is a badass on her bass. I don't know her name, sadly. So, that said, Charlotte Zone's the real deal, man. Her voice freaking purrs when she wants it to. She's young, lively, and vivacious. And comparing her to Britney, Britney can dance. Britney's beautiful. Britney also has a voice that can purr. Vocally, they're very, they're on a level playing field. They're equals, man, with one big difference. Charlotte Zone can rock. Ready to rock a Charlotte Zone and Cena drums? Ready to help my boys learn something about video editing? Hey guys, this is what I look for in a video. Now, we'll say nothing about the music itself, only the video. How Cena chose to assemble this video and with what effects in the editing process. Okay, guys? Hey, Xena. Hey, Cena, show us how it's done. You're the best on the planet. Whoa. Okay, guys, our first little pause. And we're about 3 seconds into it. Dang, Cena. Did you see it? Watch again. Did you see the little ball of light float across the screen? Man, I'll never make a video like that. But if I were into music, check it out. Oh yeah. And look at that. Okay, hang on. Pause you. I'm gonna go back. Let's watch. Yeah, we're ready. No music yet. I like that. I like that. Oh, hang on. And just like that, there goes all my hard camera placement work. Sorry. Again. See the split screen? The video's by Cena. She's the drummer. See the split screen? Sometimes they use that bar vertically, sometimes on an angle like that. I've never seen a slide transition done like that with an angle on the transition. Badass bass player. Charlotte Zone, she has got it. She has got it. Got the looks, got the talent, got the voice, got the connection with the camera. That's the key, the connection to the camera. Check it out again. Badass. Now you'll see the window of the bass player in the corner. I don't know how to do that, and I'm not. Yeah. Only real. No wait. Only hams of YouTube, such as those found at Freak Fest in the desert. Now they do things like that. You are always going to look at their ugly little mug. Okay, let's carry it. Hey guys, you know what happens when you're almost ready to enter your 20s and you go to the party at Ballinger Park in the middle of the night because it's ice rinks making time to make ice, which means it's early December and you've got your new hollow body electric Wurlitzer with you and your Penco 12 string, and you decide to play a little of that song for your friends. There's about 7 or 8 of you there. You're all friends, very good friends, or friends of friends, a few friends of friends. And your Wurlitzer hollow body's got this mellow ass tone that you hate, but it's your only electric. So you use what you got and you play that, and people freak. A friend of a friend, Jim, was there. I've met him a few times, and he's a nice guy, social introvert like me, and he freaked. He said, "Oh man, I've heard of those Wurlitzer hollow bodies, man, that thing sounds astounding." And he was a blues, I call him an old blues man. He was 20 years old, but he loved the blues. And everybody freaked and wanted me to play more. And my answer to all that noise was to give Jim my new Wurlitzer for free and grab me a beer. It was the last time I played before in front of a friend.